Make it quick. Need something? Take a look. Until next time.
Hi. Take a look. Until next time.
Come to Olava for a reading, did you? Sorry, pup, but I'm not quite in the mood.
Need something?
Treat yourself and your kin to a choice cut of steak or a tender rack of ribs.
Those green apples you sold me the other day were delicious.
Shiny trinkets,
Chops and steaks fit for a Jarl. Come and see my
all
selection
crafted
of
by
finest
the great Eorlund, Greymane himself.
You're right.
Yes?
What do you want, Blizzard?
Fresh baked loaves.
These fools are actually fighting.
Thank God Bellathor doesn't have a sister. If she's his relative, I'm not sure anyone would want to buy her.
Be careful.
God might get nervous.
Fresh fruit and vegetables every day.
Rack of ribs.